This is a mail call from Jackson and Papa. Also, I lost my first tooth. See?
Yeah.
The adult tooth is coming in. So we're gonna do a mail call today for 4 packages. 3 packages.
All right.
So the first one is a bag.
What's in the bag?
A bag!
I don't know. What could it be?
What could it be?
Okay.
I don't know.
I got these from our railroader, I believe. This is getting started in garden railroading. Well, let's see if I can get my tongue untied. Getting started in garden railroading. Because I do have a big train, so we'll see what comes up. And this next one is kind of to help do some scenery.
How to build some realistic layout, model the trackside scene.
And so there's that one. Wait, how come it's focusing on me? Now this next one is from a company called Jam Solutions.
Hey, I want it to be on me.
Well, I'm doing this part of it though. And this is a stealth track cleaning car. And oops.
Hey, it's on me again.
Open it. Yep, I knew I was going to do that.
Open
it up the wrong way.
It likes me more than you. It likes me more.
And oh yeah, that's got some nice weight to it.
Ooh, let me try.
And oh cool. Oh, pick it up.
Oh. No, it's kind of light.
Yeah, it's got some weight to it. All right. Anyway, oh look at that! It's got a beautiful pull weight in it. Hey, don't pop those. I gotta save that one. Oh wait, you can do that. I got lots of it up there. All right. Here's what it looks like. And it's got these pads on it. And there's also...
You said it would be under 4 minutes, and it's 2 minutes and...
Yeah, I know. We're going
40
and going and
seconds.
going. So it's got polishing pads. There's different pads to put on here. And run it all the time. This will be great. I can't wait to get it on there. The next one is from Yankee Dabbler. They had a sale going on. And no, I didn't get any rolling stock. And no, I didn't buy a locomotive either. What did you buy?
Nothing.
Oh,
I haven't bought Robux or stuff.
You bought all kinds of stuff, I can tell.
Why?
Let's see.
That's a lie. That's not a fact. Why?
Okay, we have some fine turf, burnt grass. Ooh.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells.
And this is some fine turf yellow grass. And
Why you looking at me? Why?
I don't know why. What's going on?
Why did I leave?
This is crazy.
It probably likes me more than you.
You think so? That's not right. Here, let me steal your thunder. Wait a minute. I'm coming back.
No.
All right, yes, I have to for one more time.
Why?
Because this is the last thing.
Oh.
And I got a box of
Hey.
Walther's 33-inch wheels. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
More bubbles.
Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Share if you feel like. Thanks for commenting. And we will see you later.
And leave a like on this video.
Yeah, do that.
Everyone, do that.
All
Every
right.
single person in the whole entire world that likes Popo, do it.
And Merry Christmas.
You filthy animals. If you